morning, Rax. Today is Monday, March 30th, which makes today National Doctors Day. And all the doctors and nurses out there are doing a great job. They're going to have to keep doing a great job, which helps bring us to our three big things. We are not going to have classes still for another couple of weeks. But remember, this week online learning, next week is a regular break week as scheduled. So there will not be any formal classes next week. And we're not going to be returning to school until at least April 15th. That was put out there, and that may continue to extend. But as for right now, April 15th, for sure, we will not be back at school until that point. And keep in mind, just because you may be okay right now or very few people are getting sick around you, we're not at the height of this yet. We still have kind of the roughest patch to go here in April. So make sure to keep your social distancing, maybe more now than ever, because this is the point you don't want yourself or somebody else to end up in a hospital. So we got still a few more weeks left to go. I got this basketball out. We're going to do a basketball workout here on Tuesday. A couple of birthdays to mention your way. Nobody in Rax, at least not that I have. So NF, it's his birthday, and Vincent Van Gogh, notice he only showed one ear, as the painter would have been celebrating his birthday, and he'd be pretty old right now. So that's about all I got for today. Online learning, get after it early this week so you don't have to worry about it later in the week when the weather's a little bit nicer. Have a great day, Rax.